This bird and I have become friends. He used to always fly away when I tried to video him. And when he does fly away, he flies over to the corner of that church right there. But see, he's hanging out. You fly away. Let's see. Because he always flies over to there. Let's see if I can get him to fly away. Hey! Bird! Bird! Fly away! Fly to the church. Fly to the church. Go! Bird! Bird! Fly away! He's not gonna do it. Pause. I'm gonna throw a rock. Nope. Fly! That was a shitty throw. Go, bird! Fly over to that church. Go! Oh, that I can't throw. Go, bird! Always goes to the same spot. Pause. You can go back. You can go back to your saguaro. There he goes. He did it. Pause. Leave you alone. I'll leave you alone. There he goes. And the movie.